Here is the segment of track, which is 24 inches long, and here are the curved tracks, which are, you see how curved they are. This is the LGB type of curve, and the diameter of this curve is around 4 feet. If you want to have a real curvature resembling a real railroad, then the curvature would be something like that, and the diameter is 20 feet. That's the toy scale model train, which is 4 feet in diameter, the complete circle, and this one is 20 feet. So that's the real. I haven't soldered it completely yet. This is this curve, which I break apart like this. Then I straighten it like so. I'm gonna show you how to make a jig for rails. So you take a piece of wood, it has to be straight. Then you need a box of nails. That is half inch in length. You need a small hammer also. $1.50 in a dollar store. Very, very useful. So now you want to measure. So I'm measuring 7mm because the stick is 10mm, so it will protrude just a little bit, just enough. So if you use small gauge nails, you won't split this stick. So 2 is enough. So I prefer this because it's much straighter than the copper one. So when you choose your popsicle stick, the one that is as straight as possible, so you can trim the rounded edges. So basically you tack them on the stick and then you whack them like there's no tomorrow. It's already much better. So basically you place 2 pieces of wire that you're about to join for the rail, and you start cracking. I'm gonna put my mask on also, because once the solder starts burning or boiling, it's quite a heavy smoke. Using this type of mask, you can see it's basically N95, the construction type. So actually it works very well for any heavy smoke. See, whenever you add some flux, it immediately binds. You let it cool, you let it set. And this is for the ties. So those are the braces. So you see they slide, but quite difficult with certain resistance. Now once you find the right space, you press it in like this. So now you see, now this whole brace is almost entirely sunk into the wood fibers. So that's it. It's not gonna move around anymore, even if you try it. You see, I measured out, measured the correct spot where it should be. Next brace. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this jig that I haven't used for a while. It's the last time I was doing rails. It was like maybe 3 years ago. Okay. So I'm gonna proceed to the end. Okay, there we go. So here's your rail track, finished track. The reason it burned here is because I have a quite high temperature soldering iron. But once you're gonna cover it, once you're gonna stain it, you wanna stain those ties, it's gonna look like this. So it's gonna hide some of those burn marks. Other than that, this is how it's done.